Both breakpoints and asserts help to detect and diagnose unexpected or invalid runtime issues. The following tutorial test drives these concepts. To start, a quick glance at the code used to test this out, something that's pretty straightforward and easy to trigger using Rider here, but similar techniques apply to other IDEs, such as Visual Studio. Let's start with breakpoints. Set a breakpoint here and run the game in debug mode. To test, in this example, call it from blueprints. Upon playing GameStops here, we can inspect the debug value, for example, and step and see that it increases its value as intended. Okay, now for the asserts. First, let's check the check one. Let's play from development. Playing from debug will stop at the crash. Okay, so when we play, crashes as intended. Can also inspect the crash window. Having the symbols in your Unreal installation will allow you to get more info here. So, to conclude, use check for crashes when the game cannot continue safely. For example, checking an object is properly initialized. Last but not least, ensure. Let's play from debug here. Playing from development, given the nature of ensure, will hitch for a moment, but it will safely recover. And when we play, the debugger points us here. Use ensure for errors that can be gracefully passed, where the execution of the remaining code can continue. For example, logging a warning and ensuring the handling of a missing configuration value. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.